Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Kishokande and today my subject is a static instance and abstract method in Java. So now we'll discuss about the static instance and abstract method in Java. First discuss about the static method. A static method is the method that can be used in rather than an instance of a class. This is used to the call a static method, and method without using the object, then method without object are sometimes called the class method. A static method in Java is a method that is a part of the class rather than an instance of the class. Every method of then can be used in a instance of access to the method. Then static method have access to the class variable without using the class of the object. Then only static data member may be used in the access that used to the access modifier. And in both of the static method and non-static static method can be used in access directly. Now discuss about the instance method. Instance method is used are the task that can be used in some time and on to the logic of the main part of the from the method. Then instance method are the use in access instance of the variable. Instance method directly use in individually. Then instance method can access use to the static variable, and static method directly using a calling instance method. Calling you instance method, you cannot call to instance method, it used to the method directly. Static method is directly. Now discuss about the abstract method. Can only be used to the abstract class and it does not have the body. The body is present provided to subclass. And the object oriented programming language, a constructor is used to define of hiding of the unnecessary detail from to focus on the essentially detail. The abstract class used to the achieve in abstract classes and method. The keyword within the abstract class and does not have the definition is called as abstract method. When we need just the method is declare in the declaration the method of the abstract. Then abstract method in abstraction can be achieved by the using of the abstract class is used to do the and abstract classes is used to the when we need to the just method the declaration in a super class. It can be used to the actual declaration method and abstract. So thank you all of you.